Hi guys, today we are going to make a life cycle of the apples. We cut two circles out of the paper and then put it on the top of each other. With my pencil I made a hole in the middle, and when I'm done I take the top part off, and on the bottom I make 6 aqua pieces. How I did that, I did the middle line and then I divide the side 3 pieces. It looks like a small pizza. When I'm done that, I put my other piece of paper on the top and I cut one triangle out. And that's what I got. You see? I put the triangle on the top of my other paper and put the paper down. So first, how the apple's life starts. The first, we put the seeds in the ground. So you're gonna draw a little seeds in the ground in your first picture. It depends how you like it. I'm gonna even write there seed, S-E-E-D. And then I move over to my next little triangle. What happens if we put the seed in the soil? A few weeks later, the seeds makes a sprout. So that's my next step. What happens is, if you like to write it down or just make a picture of it, my picture looks like this. So it's a little bit, the seeds opens up and the sprout coming out. So that's what I'm going to do the next. Triangle. And after that, we are going to see different changes in that little apple seed. The roots start to grow down in the soil and the sprouts start to go upward towards to the sun and create little leaves. So that we call a seeding. You can write it down in your third triangle, seeding. And you can make a picture of it. What I draw a little stem here and the leaves and the roots under the ground. What happens now, the leaves taking the sun and the rain and then make enough food for this little plant to grow a big apple tree. Our next step, we are at the fourth triangle now. We're gonna have an apple tree. Beautiful big tree gonna grow. Don't forget to make a trunk and big branches with a lots of leaves. You can color your picture. I just draw quickly a little tree. The tree is usually have flowers in the springtime and these very beautiful white flowers. We call it blossoms. So we can write that the next little area, when the tree has flowers on it in the spring, that was called a blossom. This is B-L-O-S-S-O-M. And you can draw a nice white flowers. What happens when the tree has a lot of flowers? That is a specific time when the bees and other insects are coming and pollinated the flowers. Pollination means they helping the flowers to become a fruit. When that was happening, after the flower, the sides going down, they fall off the tree and the little apples start to grow. Usually the apples are ready by late summer, and that is the time when they're ready to eat them. But don't forget, the apple tree grows years by years, and it's about 5 to 8 years before they start to make fruits. I hope you like this activity. I will show mine what I made. So the apple life cycle. I decorated it. I put different colors of apples because we have red, green, yellow apples as well. So the first one was my seeds. I put the seed and then I illustrated with sun and rain how the seed's gonna grow. And then I move my little paper over this way. And then becomes a sprout. And then this is a seeding. When the roots are going down and the sprout going up, little leaves start to grow. And after that we have a big tree. The tree is getting stronger year by year. And then in the springtime comes with lots of white flowers on it, which we call blossom. These flowers get pollinated with bees or other insects. And then apple tree produce a nice, beautiful apple, a crunchy apple. To attach your two pieces together, you remember we made the hole in the middle. I have a pipe cleaner. I just cut a little piece of it and then I gonna put through my pipe cleaner in the hole what I made before, and that's how I attach my pieces together. Apple trees would go very high if you would let them, but usually they cut them back every year, so the apple trees are concentrating to make apples, not to grow high, just to stay low and make apples. I hope you like this activity. See you next time.